Hey beauties, it's me Alegra. Babes, I thought I would share with you today my current favorite fall look using what I consider to be the best palette that there ever was. It is just the most amazing palette of life. I have talked about this palette before, but now I've been playing with it and I have some new info, new insights to share about this palette, why it has become my most favorite palette of life. So I just want to share that with you guys today. So just keep watching if you want to see my favorite fall look and my favorite palette of life. So just keep watching. Just in the middle of kind of doing my face, and I actually discovered this the other day. And I'm so excited to share it with you beauties. Hopefully it will maybe help some of you guys. If you also, I know a lot of people were having issues with their Norvina palette, and I myself, when I did my first impressions first video that I just from taking it out of the box, I didn't really, that was my actual first time using it, seeing it. So now that I've had a chance to play with it though, oh my god, I can't believe this palette, how amazing it is. And I feel bad that I actually, said, well, that was my true first impression. But now that I have been playing with it, I'm like, oh my god, seriously, I think this is the best palette there ever was. This is the best palette that was ever made. So it's a little bit different, I think, than past ways that I've done my eyeshadow, and that's why I had to kind of like pick up a new way of using this palette. So once you get into it though, it's easier than any other palette. It's actually easier to make amazing looks. So let me hurry up and show you guys, because there is different things that you have to do than I've done, like I said, than I've done in the past. So what it is, well, I always do use concealer, but for this palette, for the look that I've been doing, and so many people had written to me and asked me, how did you get that look? And it was so easy. So the video that I did, so I'm just going to put some concealer on. I think it's really, for this look, I'm just going to tell you exactly what I've been doing. So I've been using this concealer. This is the Urban Decay all-nighter concealer, I believe, but you can use any creamy concealer. Like I always say, the NYX one is amazing. So as you can see, I used it to carve out under my brow, and now I'm going to blend that with, you can take any brush, it's like a synthetic brush is great, and you just want to blend it out and blend it all over your eye, blend it in your tear duct area. And I'm not really going to touch it too much under my brow, so it'll stay super concentrated under there. And then flick it outwards, and that's pretty good. You don't want to mess with it too much, because for this kind of look you want it to be, this is the look that I've been doing that I'm showing you guys. So it is a little bit on the dramatic side. It's not gonna, but it's gorgeous, I think. Okay, it's my opinion. It's so gorgeous and so easy. So let's take any kind of brush now, like a flat shader brush, and I'm just gonna dip into the white shade. And guys, also I just want to warn you, be careful when you dip in gently. I actually dipped in too hard the other day and I kind of like cracked this one and I had some fallout, and I was never so sad before, because I love this palette so much that I was like, no, I didn't want to lose any product whatsoever. I have never loved a palette so much as this palette. It's unbelievable. So so I'm just putting that white shade, that's C1, right under my brows, as you can see. So that's just going to brighten up the brow bone area. And then I'm just taking the tip of the shader brush and just dragging it under my brows. So that's kind of carving that out. And then very gently just tapping some more on, just to, just for fun, just to build intensity. So now I'm just going to take this Morphe M456. So I'm just going to reach into this shade. And guys, like I think I was telling you this. See, this is the shade I dipped too hard in, and now it's kind of like falling out a bit. So tap it off if you guys are like me and you're getting too much. So I'm just dipping in and tapping it on my lower crease area. I think this would make an amazing look for homecoming. I know a lot of you dolls have homecoming coming up. A lot of people that I've been meeting here in Florida are I'm going to be doing their makeup for homecoming. So this is one look that I would do. So as you can see there, oh my god, I already hit pan, guys. Well, that's because I'll buy another one of these palettes. This palette is amazing, but that's because I dipped in too hard though, and I lost some product. But I'm using the shade now C5. So I'm just tapping it on, and I'm continuously dipping in, like tap, dip, like so, and tap, because especially with this shade, just because like I said, I kind of broke it, and I don't even want to show you guys because I don't want it to fall. But anyhow, as you can see here, I'm just tapping in a semicircle motion. So that's it. Now, the thing that is just so amazing about this palette is that to get that intensity with another palette, oh my god, I would have had to use cream shadows. I would have had to do so much work to get that much intensity. So now here's the secret to using this palette that I think a lot of people were maybe, you know, not having issues, but it's a little bit different. Now I had seen someone, I read the comments, guys. I'm obsessed with reading comments and all that from other videos, but someone had said under another YouTuber had made a video, and they said that the issue they had with this palette was they didn't see where there was transition shades. So I see now that is why probably before I was doing a lot of mixing. I was making transition shades with like the white. You can mix the white with the other shades to make a transition shade. But actually what's really easy now, you just take a clean fluffy brush and then you just very gently blend your edge. And this is going to give you a transition shade just by using a clean fluffy brush to blend out that your shade that you just packed on. That's going to give you the transition shade look. So that's all you have to do with this palette to make it, you know, work for you if you're having any, because I think that was the problem. Like I said, a lot of people were saying that there was no transition shade, so that's why they had an issue. So that's it, guys. There, I just blended just the edge with a firm fluffy brush, and it made that transition shade for us. Essentially what's happening is the shadow is blending into the concealer, and so it's going to make just a really gorgeous blend and a transition shade for us right there. So that's it. That's all you have to do. I am going to do one more step though, guys, and then I like to pack on a little bit more. There are a few more steps you can do for, you know, just for extra, but essentially like that's the basis of using this palette. You just want to use a clean fluffy brush to blend your edges. I'm just tapping on some more of that C5. I love this color so much. This is also just such a gorgeous fall look. And then I just like to just go repeat our previous step. Now I'm just going to take this shade here, D1, and very, very gently with a super slim fluffy brush, just blend just the edge now of what we just blended. But there you go. You really don't even have to do much else. I am, of course, going to do my lower lashes, but that's pretty much it. I put on my faux lashes. But I am so in love with this look. I can't get over it. So I'm just going to smudge some of that same shade again, D5. I'll just smudge some of that on my lower, just on the outer portion of my lower lashes. That's all you have to do, guys. I'm going to put on my lashes now, and then I'm going to put on a little bit. I'm going to show you how I use some liner, how I use that black eye powder. The black eyeshadow, oh my god, the most gorgeous black eyeshadow I've ever used in my life. So I'm just going to put on my lashes, and I'll be right back. So dolls, I put on the lashes, and these are actually the Kiss Lash Couture Naked Drama Collection. Oh my god, so amazing. I believe these are the ones that I'm wearing are called Chiffon, but I can't be 100% sure about that. But you'll see them if you go to the drugstore. I actually got these at Walgreens, but I'll just do my face now, guys. I'm just going to do a quick face. I usually don't show, guys, when I do my face, like I said before, because it takes me so long. But, you know, I'm going to do like a natural face today. I don't have to do like contouring and all that. So actually I used this the other day, and I absolutely loved it. Now I had purchased this and I bought the wrong shade. So now I'm using it because I got the, you know, the drops that you mix in. So I would love to use my Kat Von D again, but to be honest, I'm trying to save that. I just mixed in some Cover FX drops. I was watching my friend Carol the other day, and she found mix in drops for your foundation that from NYX. So I have that coming. She had talked about it on her channel. I'll link her below, but that would be awesome because these are pretty pricey and I don't want to spend a lot of money on mix in drops, you know what I mean? There's things I don't mind spending on, like a palette. Like I'll buy, if I have to, which it looks like I might have to buy another one of these Norvinas because I did hit the pan already on this chocolate shade. But guys, I gotta show you two. I was gonna do a whole nother video. We'll see how this comes out because maybe this is gonna be too long. But I got this at the drugstore the other day. This is called a Miracle Sponge from Real Techniques, and they say it is the best sponge ever for caking and baking and applying your powders. So this is my first time using it, you know, straight on a look. I had played with it yesterday on top of makeup I already did. Wow, it is so amazing. I'm gonna do another video, guys, because this was another one of the items that I got at the drugstore the other day that I just could not wait to show you guys. It's these, I'll just tell you guys now, I'm gonna do another video though, but these lashes and this sponge from Real Techniques, it's called, like I said, it's called a Miracle Powder Sponge. Oh my god, it's made of a special microfiber. It really is. Oh my god. So I'm gonna just, like I said, I'll finish up my face, and then I'm gonna come back and show you that quick way to use the shade, the black shade in the palette for liner. It is so gorgeous. I gotta show you. So I'm gonna be right back, guys, because I don't want to go over to, you know, keep you guys here too long. So I'll be right back. So dolls, I'm back, and I'm just doing a very simple face, like I said. Actually, let me give myself another mist because why not? I'm so addicted. It just feels incredible, and you know, I'm addicted. So let me go ahead and put on a lip. This is just a Kylie lip in Brown Sugar liner, and I'm just gonna pop a little of this Dose of Colors in the middle. So that's just in the center. So guys, I'm so happy with this look. I do just want to really quickly show you though, guys. I was just waiting for my eyes to dry, but I have to show you this. So I was just wanting my eyes to dry before, guys, but I just really want to show you. Now, if you take an angled eyeshadow brush, this is from my pink brush set collection that I was giving away, free gift with purchase. They are sold out, but I will be bringing them back soon, so be on the lookout. But you just want to tap into the black shade here. You can use any angled brush though, and I'm just going to put a little bit of that on the outer portion of my eye. I have never seen anything like this black in my life. You can even use it as an eyeliner. It's so black. It is the blackest black I've ever seen, and it's just like melts into your skin, into your makeup, into your eyes. Oh my god, it's so gorgeous. So I'm just gonna tap a little bit of that on the outer portion of my eye. It's so stunning, guys. Oh my god. And then you can even use it as a liner, and it just creates the most stunning effect I've ever seen in my life. But so I just used it like a liner, and it's just effortless, stunning. It's so black. You can use it to line your whole lower if you want, just like a liner, like your gel liner or pencil liner. But it's the blackest black I've ever seen in my life. If you want to bump it up a little more though, you can take this shade E5 and just put a little bit of that in, you know, in your crease area. It's just so, it's beyond stunning, and it's so easy. I would have taken me so much work before of packing colors on and this and that and the other to get it that intense. You've seen, I actually had a video where I was doing gels and creams and all that prior or on top or that to make it that intense. So wow. So guys, this is the finished look now. I'm like so in love with this look. Oh my god. So this is like definitely my go-to fall makeup look. I could not love it more. This palette is truly life-changing. I now I can say I feel like this is the best palette I have ever bought in my entire life. I'm so in love with it. I actually I don't think I could ever even reach for another palette, to be honest. I guess if you don't want it this intense though, for like maybe you're going somewhere, you know, you could always use one of your other palettes. But if you want your shadow to be just so intense, so gorgeous, you definitely got to get this palette. It's amazing. I could not be happier. This is my favorite look ever, guys. Oh my god, I'm so, and I gotta show you guys. The other day I did the same, pretty much the same thing, but with the purple shades. In my other video that I did the other day, I was getting a lot of questions about it. When I was showing you guys the new Kat Von D foundation, I actually just pretty much did the same exact method. But on my lid, I packed the purple and then the pink in the front. Same exact method, just packed the pink in the front and the purple in the back. That's all I did different. So I could not be happier. I will come back though and show you that purple look. I wanted to show you guys like a smoky purple look with this palette. Oh my god. So that's pretty much it, guys. I just wanted to pop in and share this kind of method that I have for using the Norvina palette. I definitely think it saves so much time now. It is actually, now that I have these little tricks for using it, easier to use than my other palettes if you know, just do, you know, those little tricks. And it's easier to create super vibrant, intense looks with this palette than actually with other palettes. Like, I cannot wait to see what Volume 2 looks like. I'm gonna be, because these are great fall colors, but oh my god, I can't wait to see more colors from Norvina and Anastasia Beverly Hills. So thank you guys so much for coming and hanging out with me today. I love you guys so much. Don't forget to take part in my huge monthly makeup giveaway. I'm giving away so much amazing stuff. I will link it below. And also don't forget, I am giving away a free palette on my website, AlegraCharityBeauty.com. It's free gift with purchase. So I'm giving away this gorgeous, stunning diamond palette. And this also does have gorgeous full colors. I've been using it. I actually have a video with this palette that I'm going to post soon. So just use code GLAMTIME and you will get this palette free gift with purchase of your Alegra Charity Beauty mist. It's only on my website, AlegraCharityBeauty.com. I'll link it below, but just use code GLAMTIME and you will get this stunning palette free gift with purchase of the setting spray. It may be shipped separately. So just so you guys are aware, you'll get 2 packages, one with the setting spray and one with the palette, most likely. I'm not sure about that though. You might get it all together. I'm still working on it. So I hope you guys are all doing good. I love you guys so much. Please subscribe. Don't forget to take part in my huge monthly makeup giveaway. And let me know any other looks or what your thoughts on the Norvina are. Have you created any looks with it? Please tag me. I want to see your guys' looks, or let me know your thoughts about it. So I love you guys so much. I hope you're all doing amazing, and I'll see you soon. Bye. I love you.